everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you all how I go from this dirty straight hair to my curly luscious locks using my MONAT Global all natural all organic hair care products. So the first product I will be using is the company's main ingredient, REJUVENIQE Oil Intensive. This is in all of their products and it has over 101 uses. So one use I'll be using it for is as a pre-wash. So this is where you will dab the oil on your scalp and just rub it all throughout your hair. And I use this as a way to not just moisturize my scalp, but also just loosen up some of that dirt and bacteria that's been trapped in my hair since I haven't really been oiling it that much while it was straight. So once I've rubbed it good throughout my scalp, I'm going to let it sit in my hair for 15 minutes and I'm going to hop in the shower. So after 15 minutes has gone by, I go ahead and rinse the oil out of my hair so I can begin shampooing. Now because I have a very dry scalp, I have to use one of the hydrating shampoos. So I use a Renew shampoo. This is good for dry, medium to thick hair types, and it's also good if you have any damage like sun damage, heat damage, split ends, things like that, because it helps repair those as well as wash your hair. And then I learned the hard way that you really don't need a lot. Like as y'all see, I poured way too much and it got foamy really quick, and I was really mad at myself because I ended up wasting a lot of product. You really only need about a quarter size amount when you're washing your hair with this stuff. And then because you don't need that much, you usually can have one bottle of shampoo for about a month or two before you have to reorder some more. So that's another thing that I really like about this company. And then before you rinse it out, you want to leave it in your hair for about 1 to 2 minutes so it can work its magic. So after a couple of minutes, go ahead and wash that out, and then for best results, you'll want to wash a second time. Now because I have dry scalp, I naturally wash a second time, but with these products, if you want to really see a difference between MONAT's products and another leading brand's products, I definitely highly recommend washing a second time. Just repeat the whole process. Alright, go ahead and rinse that shampoo out and then turn that water off because you got to save your money, girl. And then we're going to grab our mask. So the hair mask I use is called the Replenish Masque. This is also for dry, medium to thick hair types as well. Now this is especially good if you have any type of damage, whether it's split ends, heat damage, sun damage, chemical damage, any type of damage. This is what you will want to use for your hair. So you're going to take it in your hands. You do not have to heat it up. You can just rub your hands together and then begin applying it all throughout your scalp. You want to focus on really working it from the roots to the ends and really cover your scalp. Now you should not be using the whole jar, just enough to cover your hair. And then you're gonna let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes so you can really see the best results. Now I'm going to show you, I believe this is what my hair looked like after about 5 to 6 minutes. And now it started naturally detangling itself. My hair was already way softer than it normally is after shampooing it. And like as you see, you could already see my curls starting to form. So I'm gonna let it sit for the whole 10 minutes and then I'm gonna rinse it out. Now rinse out that mask and go ahead and grab your conditioner. So the conditioner I use is the Volumizing Revitalize conditioner. Now this is actually for fine flat hair types. I'm using this today because typically when I flat iron my hair does get very, very thin. So in order for my hair to really have that volume that I like to have whenever I'm curly, I am going to use this conditioner. And like I said, do not use a whole lot of this product. You only need about a little bit more than a quarter size. So as you can see, I only used about a quarter size. And then you're going to rub your hands together and apply it all throughout your scalp. Remember, work it from root to end. I actually spaced out because I kind of slipped up. I actually normally wring out my hair a little bit so that my hair can soak up the conditioner and stuff when I'm detangling it. So you're going to see me get some more conditioner because I ended up stringing out a lot of the conditioner that I had put in my hair when I was trying to rinse my hair out. So you're just gonna, like I said, apply it all throughout your scalp, and then I like to grab a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, and it usually takes me about 10 to 15 minutes tops to totally detangle my hair. And actually with this product, it was actually so easy to comb my hair out. Y'all, when I tell you, the comb was like just working its way like naturally through my hair. I've never had that happen before. I've never had that happen with any other conditioner. And so like I'm showing you all now how easily the comb is just going through my curls. You see my curls are even starting to define themselves on their own, which rarely ever happens with any other conditioner. So I was very, very happy with these results, definitely. And then I'm going to get closer in the camera for you all so you can just really see how defined my curls were. And this was only after about 10 minutes of me combing through my hair. And then look at the comb. Barely any hair came off of my comb. Alright, conditioner is all rinsed out, so I'm going to go ahead and get out the shower and show you all my last few steps for going curly. So you're going to want to towel dry your hair for this next part because you don't want your hair to be sopping wet. And you're going to grab your leave-in conditioner. So I use the Restore leave-in conditioner. This is again for dry, medium to thick hair types, and this doesn't just hydrate your hair. This also is going to restore those essential nutrients that your hair may have lost while washing it. This is also going to help promote hair growth and restore your hair follicles so that it can reduce any thinning that you may have. And it's also just going to help tame any frizziness because my hair does get very frizzy. Alright, so I finished applying the leave-in conditioner. At this point, I'm kind of just playing with my hair because I didn't really know at this point what I wanted to do. But I decided to go ahead and just do a natural twist out. So I will not be showing you all how to do that in this video because I've already done a tutorial on how to do twist out. So if you want to check out how I do my natural twist out look, go click the link in the description box below and you can see how I do that. But I'm going to go twist my hair and I will catch you all in the morning. Alrighty, good morning everybody. Please do not mind my face. We wake up no makeup over here. Tea natural, baby. Okay, now here's how the twist came out. Now since they're dry, I'm going to go ahead and take them down for you all on camera so you can all see the final look. Because you don't want to take down any twist or braids with dry hands, you want to grab some type of oil. In this case, Mrs. REJUVENIQE oil, and you want to put it on your hands and start taking your twist down. Now since these are all organic products, you want to give it a little shake so you can mix those botanical oils up, and then you want to put it on your fingertips and start taking your twist down. Now I did want to note for the record, because I want this video to show the difference between using other chemical based products and doing twist outs and an all natural twist out with using organic products, I purposely did not use very much Eco Styler or Cantu coconut curling cream when doing my twist. I simply only used enough to lock the twist in place so they wouldn't untwist. So without further ado, I'm going to back, let you all listen to DJ Abomination's beats, and I will be back when the final look is finished. here's the final look. I will say I kind of over separated the front, but my hair is very soft and so much more moisturized than it normally is after using other products. So I would say this is a very successful twist out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and your light skinned curly girl is out. Bye.